everyone, this is Manoj and I'm here to present my new project called Racing Game. So I hope everybody is enjoying in their home. Okay, I know that everybody is so bored, so am I. So let me give you the description of a game. So these three cars are enemy cars and this is my car. As you can see that I have crashed my car with the enemy cars, that's why the game is over. And this is the replay button. By clicking this replay button you can repeat the game, and this is scoreboard. In that you can see your score. Let's begin the game. Okay, sorry, I'm not a good player. As your score goes above 10, the speed will increase by 1, and as your score goes above 20, the speed get doubled. As you can see that speed got increased as I surpasses 10th enemy car. The speed got increased. After 20 it got doubled. So that's it for now. I hope you like the video and a game.